Good, YouTube. Keylowill. Hey, goddamn. Let's drop this bitch. I got some Taco Cabana. I'll show y'all what I got. I don't even know what the hell she put in this hoe. She put some sour cream in this hoe. This guacamole. I can't really tell. It should look old. I ain't eating that. I might eat a little. I don't think that's guacamole. I don't know what the hell it is. It looked like guacamole. Shit, you don't ever know when you stop at this ghetto ass motherfucker, so. God damn. There you go. I got some quesadillas. I got half and half. So I'm finna feast on y'all motherfuckers, know what I'm saying? So first and foremost, I got chicken and steak, half and half. Motherfucker good. So basically, on my YouTube channel, I was doing like 2K videos. I was gonna release it like back to back to back to back to back to back. But the only problem I had was like 2K's audio was not recording. So I was like, man, fuck this shit, bro. I really don't feel like, you know, having this ghetto footage. I want to give good quality if I'm going to upload something. So I just decided as a whole I'm not going to fucking, you know, record 2K. Now, the game just was released on the 20th. So I don't know if, you know, since the game came out itself on the 20th, I don't know if there's like a block on there since it was playing like the pre-order, you know. I don't know. So, I mean, I could try again. But I'm already like fucking 20 games into my career and shit. So, it's gonna be pointless. Gonna open up this here sour cream, man. I just wanted to give y'all an update. Even nobody watching them hoes, because I really don't have it. I mean, I have subscribers and shit, but ain't nobody watching that shit. It's so good, bro. That white stuff, man. That crack, put that crack on there. Start doing the house shaking that hoe. Blacked out Mustang keep passing me by. I see him go this way. He may U-turn. I know I haven't did a food review in a long time, but it's not even like I'm doing food reviews. I'm just talking, eating in my car. So I don't know. I really haven't had time to. I don't trust this shit, man. This shit, I'll probably go back to work and be fucked. I don't know what the hell this shit is. I don't know what the fuck that shit is, man. I ain't eating no more, though. But yeah, I really haven't had time to, like, do food reviews is because, like, I've been going out to eat with my coworkers. I really don't sit in the car and eat with my coworkers in this house, so do my own little thing. We go eat some different type of food. And honestly, if I was able to, like, record, like, cause they eat different things, you know, and I like experiencing different foods. And like, I think it was like a Turkish restaurant that we went to. It was like a little sauce spot. It was pretty good, or whatever. But you know, what the hell, this dude got some rims on the minivan. That good old Sprite. That shit good as hell. my God. Oh, they go to Google Maps. I'm gonna be on Google Maps if they taking a picture of it. That's cool. I'm gonna be on that hoe. I'm gonna be in the parking lot of Taco Cabana. I'll open this hoe up a little bit. Let the folks get inside that hoe. Everybody got Mustangs around us, so what the heck? Them hoes must have just went on sale. So I'm in Houston, Texas, and today is the first day of fall, I think. But it's still hot as fuck. It's kind of what you should expect in Houston, though. I got 3 more bites. Not 3 more bites, but like 3 more quesadilla pieces to eat. The heck? I got some sauce on my damn window. But for the gaming channel, what I'm really waiting for, I think I said this before, but I'm waiting on that goddamn Call of Duty remastered, man. I can't wait for that shit to drop. Because, I mean, the Call of Duty, you could play Call of Duty 4, but you gotta get real lucky to find one good game without no hackers and all that bullshit. And like, niggas, they still playing on that whole hacking. Like, bro, why are you on this hoe? You ain't got no bread to upgrade, bro? So you gonna hack? I guess that's what some people enjoy, though. Hack the whole damn server and shit. Like, you will go play a game on that hoe, and then you'll get kicked out, and then when you go back to the main screen and be like, welcome to Jose's server or some shit. I'm like, what the heck? People got too much free time on their hands. And not to switch topics, but that's another thing. It's kind of hard. It's hard as fuck. Like, trying to maintain a YouTube channel. And have like a full-time job. And have a kid to take care of. So, usually, I would get off work, go home, play and record. And then, you know, because I'll be at home for a little, or by myself for a little while, then my girlfriend will come home. And that'll allow me some time to record and shit, but, excuse me. Honestly, it ain't enough. So, it's just how it is nowadays. My YouTube's career is long gone. Me and my coworkers was talking about, you know, being like a game tester. It's kind of what I wanted to do back in the day. And like getting like real deep into it, you like, yeah, I really don't want to do this shit. Heck no, I'm not doing this. Because you spend like a whole bunch of hours playing the same exact game. A game that you don't want to play, let's say. And then the game could be like, you would have to play like the same level over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Like, oh shit. Excuse me. Yep, but I don't know. I'm just talking. This video is coming to an end though, so like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing, or if you can relate to anything I done talked about today. So, you know, leave a comment down in the comment section. Like this video, share it. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.